Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, looking at this euro dollar here on the 4-hour time frame. I've just marked up a few things here. We've got the weekly open at this level here. I think Monday, Saturday, Monday, there it is, right here. The thing that I'm looking for with this is on Monday, we trade short, it spikes up and it takes out buy-side liquidity. Then we get the strong move to the downside and now this pullback up in. I think this is setting up to short for the week. I mean, I could be completely wrong, but what I like about this is we've got this bearish break of structure here. So you can see lower lows, lower highs. Here's the trend. If you want to do it with a diagonal, kind of pull it through there, more or less. I'm looking at these levels, especially want to trade around the 4-hour time frames. So we've traded down into this balance area here. We had this imbalance in through here that was resolved. So that's the imbalance. It's now traded back up through it. So that's resolved. Now we're touching on the low of this 4-hour bearish order block. Now, if you're in front of the charts, you'd wait for the opportunity if this rolls over on the lower time frame to get in, look at it, watch price action, etc. If you're not in front of the charts and you want to set this up as a more or less a set and forget thing, this is what I'll be doing with it. I'm going to go in with a market sell at the base of this bearish order block right here. At least I get my feet wet. If it happens to roll over, given that this has traded through the this imbalance here, it could roll over here. I mean, it could push up and head north relentlessly. It can do anything, but I will trade around these 4-hour levels. I like this trend, 4-hour trend, and I like this pullback. I mean, if we grab a fib, it meets all the criteria for a trend continuation, 4-hour pullback into our 61.8786 fib zone. So boxes ticked. What else can I say about this? I trade around these 4-hour time frames. You lose a couple, but you win most. That's how it kind of works out. If you have a look through my videos through here, you'll see most of those are profitable trades. Now, I'm looking for a market entry at this level. If it rolls over here, I'm happy. If it pushes up a little higher, this 4-hour balance area is my sell zone. So I'll set up another, like a limit sell or sell limit order up in here. We add these two, and I think my stop loss in this case is going to go. We've got this weekly open back here, this high, and then we've got this weekly level. I would say I'm going to be a little bit generous with my stop loss. So we've got these highs back over here, this balance area. I'll be a little bit generous with this, and that reduces risk, given that the range between my stop loss and entry kind of stretches out a little bit here. And I go in with 0.2 at this level, 0.4% at this level, maximum exposure 0.6% with this one trade. My risk is through here. I'm quite happy with that. Now, if it rolls over here, I'm well and good. If not, we get a touch here. Great. So let's just grab a short position. I'm going to average it out through here. This is how I generally go about it. I'm going to look to take most of my position, if not all, at 1-to-1 risk reward. And I'm looking at, see this 4-hour, this red candle back here. I'm going to go in at the 23.6 fib zone level, I should say. That'll be T1, and I'm going to look to take 70% off. The whole thing is planned out. I'm happy with that. There's the entry. It's more or less a 1-to-1. If we close 2/3 of it here, pull the stop loss down so you're in the money, trail the rest, and happy days. If this continues south, keep going until we see a break of structure, and that'll be a 4-hour time frame trade idea. Guys, click the links below, join my Telegram group. Love to see you in there. Check the other link. We trade your Forex account. Smash the likes, comment, do all that stuff. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.